They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds, another cog in the murder machine. They said I'm teenagers scare the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe it'll lead you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They said, "Oh, teenagers scare the living shit out of me."
Just minding my own road without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shower, you gave your world to me, and before I knew, there I was in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. Look in your eyes, I just know that now I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away when they can bother me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. When I met you, you taught me how to love. You showed me how tomorrow and today my life is different from the yesterday. And you taught me to love. And darling, I will always treasure you.